Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT Neo2, and today I'll show you how to hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will obviously want to open up settings. From here, navigate to additional settings, and then somewhere at the bottom we should see backup and reset, and then erase all data, factory reset. Now in here, looks like it gives us still a couple additional options, but we're only interested in the last one, erase all data. I'm going to confirm it once again and once again, and this will begin the process. So this will probably take about a minute to like maybe 3 minutes, and once it's finished we'll then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.